Silence and smiles, those are two powerful tools. Never say busy to the one who needs you. It's hurt them a lot. It's nice to have someone who simply asks, how was your day? Sometimes the wrong choices bring us to the right places. I just wanna go some places where no one know my name. You cannot make someone understand a message they are not ready to receive. The happiest people are the givers, not the takers. Be happy. You never know how much time you have left. Time doesn't change the people. Time reveals the real face of people. I don't hurt others because I know how it feels. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Forget the past, but remember the lesson. One beautiful heart is better than 1,000 beautiful faces. The most powerful thing in life is overthinking, which has ability to change any situation. Old friends are gold, new friends are diamond. If you get diamonds, don't forget gold because only gold can hold a diamond. When problems comes into your life like a non-stop rain, always remember that Allah will always be your umbrella. Success it's not permanent and failure it's not final. Never stop working after success and never stop trying after a failure. Life is the most difficult exams. Many people fail because they are copy to others. They are not realizing everyone has a different question paper.